Now, what are the interior and exterior of an angle? Now, see here is angle PQR. Now, in this angle PQR, which are the interior points and exterior points we have to check. Now, see, in angle, there are 4 points. First is N, M, O, and T. These points are known as interior of an angle. Why? Because these points are at the place of arms of the angle. Where arms are open, these points are placed there. So that's why these are called as interior. And which are exterior points? G, D, S, E. These are the exterior points which are outside of the angle. Fine. So these two types of points are known as interior and exterior of an angle. Now, adjacent angle. Adjacent angles are side by side and share a common rate. Now let's see in the figure. There are two angles with same vertex. First is BMQ and second is QMD. Adjacent angles have one common arm and the other arm lie on opposite sides of the common arm. They have a common vertex, adjacent angles, and have separate interiors. Now let's check here. Adjacent, in this adjacent angle, BMQ and QMD. These two angles shares a common arm which is MQ and a common vertex which is M. Now complementary angles. Complementary angles are the two angles that measures 90 degrees. Means the measurement of both the angles is 90 degrees. That angle is known as complementary angles. Supplementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degrees, don't be confused. Complementary angles are of 90 degrees and supplementary angles are of 180 degrees. Now, what are opposite rays? Opposite rays are two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line. What it means is both the rays are started from a same point. That's point B. In figure 1, ray AB and ray BC are both started from point B. In figure 2, ray AB and ray BC again started from point B, but figure 2 makes straight line. Right? So figure 2 is our opposite rays. Now, examples on opposite rays. The question is, name the pair of opposite rays in the figure alongside. There is a figure given. Point P is origin and 4 rays are cross the point P. started from the point P. So we have to name the opposite rays in the figure. First ray is PT. You can see here PT. Next is PM. Next is P and N. And last one is PL. Now see here, these four rays are originated from point P and they made a straight line. Fine. So these two are straight lines and they form four rays. Let's start it from point B. Now, angles in a linear pair. Now, angles which have a common arm and whose other arm form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Now, supplementary angles are also called as angles in a linear pair because the sum of measurement of angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. So, 180 degree. Now, how to solve the problem based on linear pair? So, yeah, a figure given PQR and RQS are two angles. Now, in this angle, we have to search for angle PQR and angle RQS. If there is a particular phenomenon given, then we can directly measure it with protractor. Fine. Because the addition of both the two angles is 180 degree. So we can finally measure it with protractor that 120 degree of PQR and angle RQS is 60 degree. Now, vertically opposite angles. The angle formed by the opposite rays of the arm of an angle is said to be its opposite angle. Read it again. The angle formed by the opposite rays of arms of an angle. Now, what happened is two rays are crossing each other and they form angles. So these are vertically opposite angles. Now, what is special about vertically opposite angles? The vertically opposite angles formed when two lines intersect are of equal measures. See, there are many lines that can be crossing each other or intersecting each other, but the lines which are equal in measures are more important in vertically opposite angles. If the lines are not of equal measure, so we cannot call it vertically opposite angles. So the measurement of both the angles must be equal. Now, line AC and BD intersect at point P. Lines AC and BD intersect at point P. Measurement of angle APD is 47. Measurement of angle 47 APD is 47. Then find the measurement of angle APB, angle BPC, and angle CPD. Now, see here, angle APD is given, and we have to find the measurement of three angles. What we have to do is we have to check angles in a linear pair. Fine. Now see here, there are two angles in a linear pair. First, angle APD and angle CPD. Means if these two are angles in linear pair, the measurement of these two angles will be 180 degree, right? And if 180, in that 180 degree, we have the measurement of one angle, that is 47 degree. So what we will do is we will subtract 180 from 47. Now as you can see here, by subtracting 47 from 180, we got angle 133. Now 133 and 47 degree, we are having two measurements of these different angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. Fine. So the angles which are vertically opposite are equal to each other. So angle APD and angle BPC are equal to each other. It means angle BPC will be 47 degree, angle DPC is 133 degree, and angle APB will be also 133 degree. Now, interior angles of a polygon. Angle A, angle B, and angle C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. Now, this triangle ABC has three angles, right? These triangles has different measurements, but the total measurement of both three angles is 180 degree. Now let's check out different types of polygon. Number of sides, name of polygon, type of polygon, and then number of triangles. Now in this table, we have shown that how many sides are there to the given figure, what is the name of that figure, and how many triangles can be drawn in that figure. Number of sides is 3, name of polygon is triangle, number of triangles is 1, and sum of interior angle is 180 degree. If the number of triangles are increasing, the sum of interior angles will be multiplied by the number of triangles. Now how it will done? Number of sides are 4, name of the polygon is quadrilateral. Now you can see a figure of quadrilateral, and if we divide into two parts, it will give you two triangles. If there are two triangles, then the sum of interior angles will be 180 degree multiplied by number of triangles. It means 180 degree multiplied by 2, that will be 360 degree. Now, 5 sides. 5 sides that made pentagon, and pentagon has 3 angles, sorry, 3 triangles in it. If we draw it, 3 equal triangles can be get. So 180 degree multiplied by 3 will be the sum of interior angles. Now hexagon, total number of sides are 6. Then we can draw 4 triangles in it, and the sum of interior angles will be 180 degree multiplied by 4. Let's keep in mind The sum of the measure of interior angles of polygon is 180 degree multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. Now, the exterior angle of triangle. What are the exterior angles? We are having a triangle ABC, but the sides are extended. Now, which sides are extended? See, from point A, ray P is extended outside. Likewise, at point B, ray QB is extended. And from point C, CD is extended as well. So, as shown in figure, an angle ACD is formed which lie outside the triangle. Angle ACD is formed which is outside of the triangle. Now, these type of angles are known as exterior angle of a triangle. On extending one side of a triangle, the angle obtained from which forms a linear pair with the adjacent interior angle of the triangle. What's going on here? Now see here, two angles are formed. Angle ACD and the earlier angle ACB. Now points BCD made a straight line. It means these are pairs, angles in a linear pair. So obviously the measurement of angle ACB and angle ACD will be 180 degree. Fine. So the angles that outside of triangle is known as exterior angle of a triangle. Let's take an example. In the figure alongside, all exterior angles of a triangle are shown. Now, A, B, C, D, E, F are the interior angles of PQR. In the same way, every triangle has 6 interior angles. Now, if we extend every line of a triangle, so we got 6 exterior angles, right? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E, and angle F, while our triangle is PQR. So we got 6 exterior angles. Now let's check the property of an exterior angle. In the figure alongside, angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. Now the side R has extended its angle. That made angle PRS. The other two interior angles, angle P and angle Q, are further away from PRS. Now the new formed angle is PRS, but the point Q and point P, the angle Q and angle P are far away from the angle PRS. So they are called as remote interior angles of PRS. Now here, angle PRS is the important, and these angle Q and angle P are known as remote interior angles. Interior because they are inside the triangle, and our angle PRS is exterior angle because angle PRS lies outside the triangle. Now here, the measurement of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of measures of its remote exterior angles. Now you can see here, angle PRS is equals to angle P and Q, means the addition of angle P and angle Q that gives us the measurement of angle PRS. Let's check an example on it. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of DABC. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of DABC. The measure of angle A and angle B are equal. Angle A and B are equal, and if angle ACD is 140 degree, if measurement of angle ACD is 140 degree, find the measures of the angle A and angle B. Now, as we see in the property, the addition of sum of the remote interior angles is equals to the exterior angle of the triangle. See, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Hence, in this case, angle A and angle B is equals to 140 degree, as angle A is equals to angle B, or 2 angle A is equals to 140. So we can divide it by 2, as there are two angles, angle A and angle B. So we will divide by 140 by 2. So we will get angle A and as well as angle B is 70 degree. Any doubts, guys? Now let's take homework. So here, there is a figure given. There are 6 rays originated from point O, and they form some angles. Fine, but only 3 of the measures are given in the figure. Let's see. Using the measurement of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of remaining 3 angles. The measurement of triangle is given, that is angle AOB is 8y, angle FOE is 4y, and angle COD is 6y. Now what we have to do is, we have to find the measurement of angle AOF, EOD, and BOC. As we are having the measurement of 3, we just have to find the opposite angles of a linear pair. Thank you, guys. Do we have any other problems? Any doubts? Please ask. Guys, please unmute yourself. So everyone is clear with the content? Okay, as I can see the text here. Okay. Vilas, sir?
Yes, sir.
What is it?